In the last decade, the price of batteries has fallen by more than 80%, revolutionizing the energy sector. This drop has been key to the viability of storage systems and the integration of renewables. In this video, we will discuss how we got here, what factors influence future prices, and what opportunities are opening up in this dynamic market. The factors that have influenced the historical evolution of battery prices are: price reduction since 2010. The price of lithium-ion batteries has gone from $1,100 per kilowatt-hour in 2010 to around $130 per kilowatt-hour in 2023, thanks to technological advances and economies of scale. Economies of scale. Mass production, led by Asian manufacturers such as CATL, LG Chem and Panasonic, has enabled cost optimization technological improvements. Developments such as NMC and LFP chemistries have increased energy density and reduced costs. Global competition. China, South Korea, and the United States compete fiercely, driving innovations and price reductions. Factors influencing future prices include raw material prices. Demand for lithium, nickel, and cobalt continues to grow, but technologies such as LFP have reduced dependence on expensive materials. The expansion of gigafactories. Europe and the US are developing factories like Tesla in Germany, seeking to reduce dependence on Asia. Adoption of emerging technologies. Solid-state batteries promise to increase energy density and improve safety, although they still face scalability challenges. Price projections for 2030 can be: in an optimistic scenario, with advanced technologies and continued expansion of production, prices could fall to $80 per kilowatt-hour by 2030, facilitating massive integration of storage into renewables. Conservative scenario. If supply chain problems persist, prices could stabilize between $100 to $120 per kilowatt-hour, which still represents a significant improvement. These prices would make hybrid PV plus BESS projects more accessible, driving the energy transition. Some of my recommendations are: falling prices open doors for investment in large-scale storage, hybrid projects, and emerging technologies. Initiatives such as European funds and regulatory programs further incentivize this market. Seize the moment to invest in storage technologies and projects integrated with renewables. If you want to explore these opportunities, contact me on LinkedIn. Let's make your projects part of the energy future. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and to keep learning about BESS systems.